So I'm realyn.manalili, one of the CEO Marketing Director of International Marketing Group. So in this training, I will be showing or I'll be sharing with you how to process additional or top-up investments to your IMG Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund and One Fund. So currently, yun yung two funds na pwede nating pagpilian. So the first step would be to log into your IMG portal or member page. So you have to go to img-corp.net and then you have to type in your login details and then click login. So very easy naman tong steps na to, no? Actually, this will be a very short video. Pero sundan nyo lang. I'll be showing to you yung step by step. Ako personally, I would advise na kung ipaprocess mo to, unang-una dapat depende kung ang mode of payment mo would be through remittance or bank deposit, dapat naka-ready na dun sa device mo yung proof of deposit or payment. And then, I would highly suggest na gumamit ka ng phone, mobile phone, or tablet kasi may portion dito na kailangan mong pirmahan. So, it will be easier. Lahat naman to will be processed online. So, from your homepage, punta ka lang dito. Yan. So, makikita mo, no, IMG Soldivo Funds. So, you have to click here. So, very easy. Hindi natin kailangan na mag-fill up ng kahit anong form. So, from here, makikita mo what would be your folio number. So, basically, that's your membership code. And then, yung current NAV, itong date na to, so malalaman mo. And then, yung current value. So, to add subscription, makikita mo rin dito kung yung mga subscription na na-process mo na before. Diba? So, kailan yung booking date, ano yung NAVs niya, napili mo, how many shares, and then yung accumulated number of shares. Okay, so kaya maganda talaga siya kasi mag-login ka lang sa IMG portal mo, makikita mo na agad yung investment mo. So, all you have to do is kung gusto mo mag-top up, all you have to do is to click itong add subscription. Pwede rin dito, by the way, add subscription. And then if you notice, meron din button dito to request redemption. Kung redemption yung gusto mong i-process. But since this video will be tackling about how to add yung sa investment, so you just simply need to click add subscription. Okay, so log in again here. Same login details po nung sa inyong IMG portal, no? So, just click login. Okay, so IMG Soldivo Fund. From here, you have to type in what's your agent code or your member's code. And then, kung saan nang lalabas ang iyong pangalan. So, choose mo lang yung pangalan mo. Then from here, kaya nang sabi ko na currently, while I'm preparing this video, we have two options. So, IMG Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund, ito yung for investments na medyo high risk, pero high return. So, kung long-term yung goal mo dun sa investment mo, so dito tayo maglalagay as suggested sa ating mutual fund trainings. And then, ito naman would be yung IMG Soldivo One Fund. So, ito yung mga for low-risk investment, kung gagamitin mo yung investments mo, hindi in the long term, maybe 8-7 years from now, so we suggest dito. But I highly suggest before you proceed with this processing, attendan mo muna yung mutual funds training natin para mas naiintindihan mo. But just for your information, there are two options, so pili ka lang dyan. Let's say, for example, magta-top up ka dun sa Strategic Growth Fund. Okay, so you just simply choose that. Magkano yung amount na gusto mong i-top up? Let's say, for example, nag-top up ka ng, I don't know, 10,000, let's say. And then, you just simply click next. Okay, so you notice, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, no? Merong terms and conditions. So, you just have to scroll down sa baba. And then, you need to sign here. Okay, so, kaya talagang mas convenient kung tablet or yung mobile phone mo yung gamit mo. So, let's just say, for example, mag-sign lang kunwari, And then, kung nagkamali ka, you just simply click yung clear. Or if not, let's say, for example, that's my signature, and then you simply click next. And then yan, lagay mo na yung email address mo. And piliin mo na dito, what would be, ano ba yung mode of payment mo? Is it via credit card, debit card, via banknet, bills payment, Palawan Express, so on and so forth. So piliin mo lang dyan. And then, dire-diretso na yung procedure. So let's say, for example, ang naging procedure mo is ito, remittance or bank deposit or bank transfer. So click mo lang yun. And then, you just type in yung details mo dito. So, mag-invento lang ako ng details, guys, ha. Nalagyan ko lang yan. Pero, dapat complete yung details, ha. Pero para lang mabilis tayo dito. So, and then, click mo to, bank deposits or remittance. Next step. Okay, so from here, pili ka. Saang bank ka ba nag-remit or nag-deposit? So, let's say, Banco de Oro. Okay? So, click yung Banco de Oro and then click select. Alright. So, all you need to do para ma-upload natin yung proof of payment for verification purposes is just click this. Okay, so meron namang instruction dito, no? Susundin lang natin yung sample deposit slip para mabilis din yung verification. So, you notice nakalagay na dyan kung anong bank, kung anong pinili natin, and then yung account number. So, lagay natin dito yung date. Date kung kailan tayo nag-deposit. So, halimbawa ngayon is June 2, pero hindi tayo ngayon nag-deposit. So, piliin lang natin. Halimbawa, kahapon ako nag-deposit. So, kailangan kong piliin yun. Okay? And then, yung time. So, you notice here, 24-hour format. So, titingnan natin dito, ang time niya is 16:04. So, ibig sabihin, this is 4 p.m. So, lagay mo lang dito yan. Diba? 16:04. Exactly kung ano po yung date and time na nakalagay doon sa exact mong deposit slip ha. Ito kasi sample lang. So, ito na lang ginamit ko. Doon sa mismong deposit slip mo, anong oras ka nag-deposit or nag-bank transfer or pre-process yung payment. So, halimbawa, nag-process ka ng 6 p.m. Diba? So, sa 24-hour format, ganito siya. Diba? 18 yun. Tama. So, 18, 0000. So, ganun siya. And then, deposit code. That would be kung ano yung reference number, no, transaction reference number. So, say for example, nag-invento lang din ako, pero nasa deposit slip mo yan. So, type in mo lang very carefully para yung nag-verify nung transaction, hindi rin mahirapan, mabilis na ma-verify yung ating payment. And then, this is the reason kung bakit ko sinabi na ideally, yung proof of deposit or yung proof of bank transfer natin, nakasave na dun sa device na gagamitin natin is because we need to upload that. So, select file. And then, kunin mo lang kung ano man, kung saan mo sinave yung file na yon. And then, after mo ma-select, you just click choose. And then, click submit. And that's it. Basically, you'll be receiving a confirmation email na done na yung processing and then hintayin lang natin mag-reflect na sa IMG portal natin. So, babalikan mo lang yung first step ko kanina, makikita mo kung ng base na yung ating additional investment. As easy as that. So, yun po. That's the end of my video tutorial. Happy investing, everyone. Again, I'm realyn.manalili, proud member of International